We're excited to recognize the success of one of our tenants for their innovation in advanced manufacturing. Today we're very excited. We do a lot of great work here for SLS and Orion, but we also have several government and also commercial tenants that support us here at Michoud, and we're glad to have them here. One of the things we're celebrating today is a 78-meter blade built by Blade Dynamics. So a very exciting time as we kind of roll out this new 78-meter blade.
My name's Theo Botha. I was a co-founder of Blade Dynamics and I'm responsible for sales and marketing at the company. I'm very proud today to be attending the launch of our 78-meter blade. This is the world's largest assembly blade. It's the largest blade ever made in the United States, and 2 days from now, on July 8th, it's going to be shipping to the United Kingdom for structural testing. This is actually going to have an equivalent weight on the end of it to a VW Golf parked more than 1 kilometer away. It's incredible, this structure. And it's been a very proud day to share with my team the unveiling of this technology.